If you are looking for a good crypto platform with tons of crypto assets available for the user, MEXC Exchange is definitely the one. With the support from more than 200 crypto assets, you can trade or invest your money however you like. That's why today I will show you a detailed instruction on how to get MEXC Sign Up Bonus for 2022 and how you can sign up and verify yourself to trade on this exchange. So, if you are a new trader and interested in MEXC, this video is for you. Let's go! So what you want to do first is to go to mexc.com and then click on sign up in the top corner here. And then you will lead to this page where you can fill in your email, password. Remember to confirm your password. And then for the verification code, you should click on get code here. And you will be requested to do this kind of puzzle where you have to select all the objects in order. So do that and the code will be sent through your email. And then you will want to copy the code and paste it back here. And then remember to confirm that you have read and agree on the agreement and policy of MEXC. And this is really important. For the referral code, you want to use our referral code right here to get 20% off our trading fees on MEXC. You can find it in the description down below. So then click on sign up. And then you will be requested to log in again into MEXC. So you have two options, mobile or email, but previously you have registered by your email. So I will click on email and then fill in my email and password that I have created earlier and then log in. So next I will be requested to do the puzzle again. Click on OK and the verification code will be sent through your email. Open your email and then you will see the code sent by MEXC. You will want to copy the code and paste it back on the page. And that's it. Welcome to MEXC. If you want to have more bonuses or to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. So after logging in, you will be led to this page where you can complete your identification and security measures. So here we will start with identification first, or KYC. So what you want to do is to go to the account icon at the top corner over here and then choose identification. Then you will see this page where it's stated that MEXC has two levels of identification or two levels of KYC, which are Primary KYC and Verify Plus, in which by doing the Primary KYC, you will only be allowed to withdraw up to 40 Bitcoins a day. But by doing the Verify Plus, you can increase your withdrawal limit up to 100 Bitcoins a day. So here we will start with Primary KYC first by clicking the Verify button right here. Then you will see this page where you have to fill in all of your primary information, including your nationality, ID type, last name, first name, ID number, date of birth, and so on. And then you will have to take a picture of your ID. So after that, you just go ahead and click on submit for review, read all the confirmation notice, and then click on accept. And that's it. So next we will move on to 2FA or Two-Factor Authentication. So to do that, you just go ahead and click on the account icon and then choose security. Since you have set your password and email verification, we will move on to the mobile verification by clicking the verification button right here. And then what you have to do now is to fill in your phone number and click on get SMS code. And then the code will be sent to your phone. You just have to copy the code and paste it back on the page. Next is the email verification code. click on get code and the code will be sent to your email. You just have to copy the code and then paste it back to the page and then click on confirm. And that's it. Now we will move on to MEXC Global Authenticator. So just go ahead and click on setup. So this step is a little bit more complicated than all the other steps. So what you have to do is to download an Authenticator app to your phone or any other device that you are using. So in the App Store or Google Play or any other app stores, you just go ahead and search for MEXC Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or just Authenticator or 2FA Authenticator. Keep in mind that Google Authenticator app is only available for iOS 13 and more. So if your device is not up to iOS 13, you just have to search for Authenticator or 2FA Authenticator. So in this case, I will use the Authenticator app. So here a QR code secret key will pop up and then you will want to scan this QR code with your phone. So after scanning the code, you will see this on your phone and then you will have to click on save at the top corner right here. Then you will see a 6-digit code running with a timer right here. And then what you want to do is to type in your password settings and then get the code from your phone. An SMS code will be sent to your phone. You just have to copy and paste it back on the page. So the last one is the MEXC Global Authenticator. You just have to open your phone again and then get the 6-digit code that I mentioned earlier, and that's it for your account security measure. Now you just have to check back on your KYC that you did earlier, and you should be verified by now because the KYC process on MEXC Exchange is relatively fast compared to other exchanges. And that is all. That is how you create your account, conduct your 2FA and KYC process on MEXC Exchange. Easy, right? If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of MEXC and any other exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto bonuses that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.